How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your WordPress to a bunch of database plugins. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you guys are using WordPress to host your sites or your blog site, it's always a good rule of thumb to have a database or backup plugin. So I'll be recommending two to you guys. So the two plugins that I'll be recommending to you guys to use as your database are Updraft Plus and WP Optimize or WordPress Optimize. So first thing that you guys need to do is need to head on over to dashboard, obviously, and you want to navigate to the left hand side of the screen till you see the plugins tab. So from here, if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see two options being add a new plugin and install plugins. So install plugins is how you get to configure the already installed plugins that are integrated into your WordPress account. So because we're adding a new database, we're going to click on add new plugin. So this will redirect you to their store where you'll get to select which compatible apps or plugins you want to add to your WordPress site or account. So from here, you want to type down Updraft. So here we are. Here's Updraft, and here's WP Optimize. So the choice is entirely up to you guys, but from the user testimonials that I've read, I heard that Updraft is the better option for you. However, WP Optimize is still a good choice to have. However, if it comes to solely having a database or storage or means to back up your site's data, I would go for Updraft. So once you've made your selection between the two, you want to click on it, and this will redirect you to their store page or their plugin page. And from here, all you have to do is click on install and activate. So we're basically authenticating the app to integrate into our WordPress account. So there we go. We've successfully installed the plugin to our WordPress site, and now we have a database. So you guys just want to click on plugin or manage plugin to get to work, and this will redirect you back to the site. So congratulations, you guys now have a database plugin for WordPress. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.